What is up, guys? So I'm really excited. I actually made, like I told you in the last video, I made my own color for this. So this piece is gonna get painted. It's just it's pretty beat up. I'll probably get a new one. So I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. But this color that I made with, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. This is just I'm gonna upload this no matter what. Turns out like crap, I'll just use the base coat. But I wanna try it with this pearl. Ooh. If it works out, that's what the car is gonna be, so. All right, I know this is kind of like not the right setup to be doing this right now, but whatever. So I'm putting a whole pack, 5 grams and 10 ounces of Intercoat Clear. If I have to reduce it down later, I will, but this stuff's cheap. Oh yeah. Ooh, baby. I think this is gonna be awesome. So you just saw me blowing air on there. That is required for waterborne paint. That's one of the downfalls of waterborne paint. You have to blow air on it, so naturally you're gonna get nibs and all that stuff in there. But I mean, this isn't exactly a clean environment right now, so it doesn't really matter. But we got it dry enough now. And there's another thing. You can't really tell what the color of this is actually gonna be until after it's clear coated. It's not like solvent-based paint where, it's pretty close usually after you mix it to what the color is actually going to look like. When it comes to waterborne, I mean, it can look blue, but it's supposed to be green, but then when you clear it, it's purple. Some colors are like that. It's bizarre. But enough talking. Let's get some of this pearl on here with this Intercoat Clear and see how this thing looks. This isn't even clear coated yet. This looks so awesome. Oh man, I'm excited. I didn't know how this was gonna turn out with that green base coat, but I am digging it. I'm definitely gonna do one more coat, just a light coat, and then we're gonna put some clear on it. Hell yeah, dude. That looks awesome. And this is why I love Pearl. Pearl is so cheap and it's so freaking, this looks like midnight purple. That was kind of the look I was going for. So I'm glad that it came out like that. Holy cow. That is so sick. Whoa. I am over the moon happy with this. Oh man, let's get some clear on this. I don't even know what to say, guys. This is just unbelievable. It is just crazy, crazy good. Imagine the whole car. It's gonna be nuts. Hopefully that gets you guys excited, because I am super stoked about that. Like, straight up, just mixed up some paint together. Like, I knew I wanted green, but then I wanted some pearl in it, and then I saw that pearl, and I was like, you know what, I think that'll react really well with that pearl. And it does, man. It looks like midnight purple. It looks crazy. That's... I'm so stoked. I'll leave the link in the description for all this stuff too. I'm gonna be getting a kickback from it if you guys do purchase from there. This is stuff you can get on Amazon actually, and it's killer. I mean, it is freaking killer. Usually you put this over top of black base coat, and then you put a inner coat clear over top of that, and then you put your clear coat over top of that. So the fact that I use green, like, I don't know if, I mean, there's definitely one off. No one's gonna have this, I mean, except for midnight purple. But I think this has more depth than midnight purple, to be honest with you. This is nasty. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that jazz. Peace.